Hey everyone, it's Mailbag Monday. As I post this, just got one thing in from Amazon. Been working on my gatekeeper and about 99% done with it. Got tires still to install, but this is definitely RC related, so let's open this up. Definitely helped me with my build. I should have ordered this a while ago. Yeah. When I first started it. Huh. That's weird. Package in a package. Let's see, let's move this over here. Try without spilling anything. Back to filming on my phone. I'm gonna start using the Logitech C920 webcam, see if that's better. Just trying to improve my quality of my audio too. So got some shock pliers from Amazon. They're GoolSkyRC. Let me open these up. I wish I ordered these before my build. I got away with it with using pliers, needle nose pliers wrapped with electrical tape, so I didn't damage the shock shafts and also the links. Really wish I got some of these. These are aluminum. They got the pivot ball tool in it. But it's also what I like about these compared to like some of the named brands ones like ProTech and stuff is that there's soldering for solder like battery plugs, and then different size. These are for, I believe these are for bullet connectors for soldering. So it's also a soldering jig. I got good reviews. I paid like I think 18 bucks. I can get these from China for like 11, but didn't want to wait, so I paid paid a little bit more to get them in a day. But like I said, I wish I ordered these before my build. It would have made my life a lot easier, because links and building shocks are no joke. Kind of worn out just trying to do it manually. So just want to get these in the future for not only soldering, but for any current or future builds. So, also got these from Hobbytown, my local Hobbytown. Got the servo 25 tooth horn micro servo for my SX24. Since I got a stronger servo, I'll add this to my future build that I'll do a video on. And then I got the 8mm brass hex adapters for the gatekeeper. So that's my Mailbag Monday. So thanks, like and subscribe. See you later.